afternoon, everyone. I hope you all have a blessed day and a full joy on a day to max. But me have something me just have to take off of my mind. Me just have to get it off. When you see Joe we are going to Jamaica. Jamaica no see say God give up on we. God give up on we because of slackness and the nastiness them we are going in Jamaica. The children them we are missing every day and them are send them we go turn prostitute, them are kill them are rape them. The big married man them we are give little girl them little $1,000 bill and a day with them in a them carry back and a video them and a put them on Facebook. The church, God give up on uno cause pastor them a day with the church sister them pay fornication and adultery are going in a church. God give up on we Jamaica. You no see drought we there. If I ever catch 2 days ago and watch on the news, you know take it so simple. I drought Kasi. You know see our time hot. A couple months well now we no get no rain. All like fruits them a drop off a tree, mango them fuba. Me have one mango tree out there, one Julie mango tree, and the mango them so small. Last year the mango them did big. I know the mango them little. Them fuba. The breadfruit them drop off a tree. Every man na 6, 7, 8 breadfruit me a pick up on the tree and a son called small breadfruit. They right before time and them fuba no matter how me water a tree them. Nothing now come to life. Coconut a drop off a tree me never see before. God give up on the church. Cause all the church sister them a do is advertise the KFC. And the pastor them are there with the church sister them and the church brother them are there with the church sister them. That's all. Pay fornication, adultery, no strong warrior, prayer warrior, no there again. When me small and I go to church, me see church I go on fasting. For all days, church they on fasting. And prayer, hard prayer. God give up on with Jamaica where we are going to do what we know a plan for do. Mother want to know how much church will come out on the 23rd of May. Half a tree. Mother want to know. You no see, no work, no day. How much a pitney a graduate from school with so much subject. How much a nurses. You hear say them qualification no good no more. Them have to go to college, go do higher. The market full up. No bag juice seller, no there, no want no more. Too much a bag juice seller, too much a peanut seller. If food now sell, we don't have no more trucker come collect with food. Nothing now sell. A businessman them come in for do business. As soon as you see them start them business, then kidnap them and kill them. If people them afraid to come to Jamaica back, come invest their money. If they come back home because they will build a house. By weekend when they go up on site to pay their workers, then kill them and take away money. Nobody can wear gold at Jamaica again unless your neck gone. If you wear gold chain, your neck gone. If you wear gold bracelet, your hand gone. God a give up on we. How long we get rain? Tell me. How long? Then there's something they used to go on ya. We need to go back down on we knee and be faithful to God. Return we back upon Him. We start to adapt things where we never used to adapt in a Jamaica. Batman, lesbian, bowcat, all of them. They fool ya. We never know one of Jamaican. Jamaican I do it. You see them a me pen them sexy more than me. You see little girl them a me pen right now so sit there have on a panty. Them a advertise where you expect to go up and them or go get rape. Nobody now cover themselves no more. All night church they now cover themselves no more. Everybody a advertise the KFC. Nobody now protect them body no more. Jamaica what no I do. Church, wake up. Stop the nastiness. Is the house of God, is the temple of prayer. And a day so he day, nastiness day, he head I tail. Right, head he day. And say begin from the head before you reach the tail. So I head he day. Church, wake up. God give up on we. He might give up. Wake up. As I always say, I love you all. And I love you all. Please, Facebook, I'm asking you all to help me to spread this message. Jamaica need prayer. Not only protest alone. We need prayer. Real prayer. We need to wake up and see reality. Dangerous thing that come ahead of us, you know. If we not wake up, you know, and see we are going, you know, dangerous thing are come ahead of us. A lot more is there to happen. Every day we not see it. We not open we eye and look. Wagwan. Alright. Bad thing is there to come. Bad things.